Saturday, the 11th of November, 2023, Veterans Day, Summerville, Georgia. We're not interested in this little camper ourselves, I wouldn't think. I don't want anything pulled behind. But we're going to check it out. There's a little Toyota four-wheel drive truck down here I want to check out too. I am interested in that little Toyota four-wheel drive. It's a Bullet, or whatever that implies. I guess that's the name brand. Crossfire. Let's get out and check it out. Okay, here's the information I'd be interested in. Unloaded vehicle weight, 4,400 pounds. Loaded, 6,300 pounds. Each axle, 3,500 pounds. You got 2 propane tanks, you got a battery. I don't know if there's anything in any of that, probably not. Only 7 trips of 2021. It does have a double axle. I would, it would be what I'd want if I was going to have one of these. I'd want a little bit shorter. I'd want a ladder for the back. But some of y'all might be interested. You can see a little bit. That was blacked out. Okay, well, Bullet Crossfire by Keystone. So there you go. We're going to stop down here at a little Toyota four-wheel drive truck too. We're in Summerville, Georgia, about 55 degrees. I'd be more interested in that. Well, I wouldn't be interested in that Chevrolet van either because it doesn't have glass in the side doors. A lot of car lots up here. I guess there are 2 different schools of thought about putting prices on something. If I'm going to sell something, I'm going to put a price on it because I don't want anybody calling me that's not really interested in it. A lot of times the thing's going to speak for itself, and I can convey its condition much better than people looking at it. But I think some people, and this has been my experience, when they don't have a price on it, they usually want too much, and they think if they can get you on the phone and talk to you, they can convince you to come take a look at it and pay too much. It doesn't work for me. I won't even call that number because it doesn't have a price on it. Of course, I guess you can say it works in one way because, well, I would pay top dollar for something I really wanted in good shape. But something like that, I'd just be looking to, I wouldn't pay top dollar for it even if I was looking for it. But I'm usually looking for a deal. So when they don't have a price on it, I'm not going to call. Four-wheel drive Chevrolet truck for sale, look there. Well, don't turn around and go take a look at it. Looks like it's a pretty nice truck. See it on the way up here. I think it's just a regular cab, which the price would have to be very good for me to be interested in it. I'd want at least an extended cab. with that little jump door. Yeah, it looks like they got a set of custom wheels on it, which I don't like. I like my stuff stock. Unless I pick out what I like. Yeah, short bed, regular cab. It would have to be a deal for me to be interested in it. And you know, I'm not even sure it's four-wheel drive. We're not going to mess with this one either. It's sort of a maroon little Toyota truck. Where y'all reckon he wants for it? I don't. Y'all hadn't seen it though, have you? I'm going to say $12,000. I don't know what year it is or anything. It just looked like it's in fair shape. Just firing off a price. I don't even know what year. I'm making a very uninformed guess. Gas here at Walmart for $2.49 a while ago. We have done a lot of upgrading or modification, whatever you want to call it, to this YouTube channel. Added products, tagged products in the video, added keywords, meta tags. We've done some reorganizing. All in the effort to increase subscribers and views, watch hours. We're increasing, you know, slowly, but it's just not enough. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm having to learn a lot of new stuff. A lot of new technology I'm going to have to learn to take this channel to a higher level, and it still isn't going to be professional. It's still just going to be me and a guy riding around getting video. Running my yap about stuff that I don't know anything about and making mistakes about. But I think I do give out some good information. Dark chocolate covered peanuts from Dollar General, $1 a bag. That's pretty good. Pretty good value. Now that Jeep over there, I'd be interested in that. There's the car lot. There are a lot of four-wheel drive trucks up here, but they're on the car lots. Toyota is sitting in a parking lot. I guess for sale by owner. We'll find out in a minute though. Let me cut it off till we get down there. Now I am also looking for a little utility trailer, about 8 feet long maybe. I don't know if these are for sale up here or not, but there's something up here for sale. Summerville traffic, or we're just about in Tryon now. Come just far enough apart where you can't turn. Well, these things don't have a for sale sign on them, or not one I can see. It's about what I'm looking for. I don't want anything fancy or expensive. I want something I can organize my tools in. Alex's 706-266-1803. I can call and find out. They're probably not for sale. They don't have for sale sign on them. Of course, a little place like this, probably everything's for sale. How much do you want for that house right there? I need to find a fixer-upper house, small, 800,000 feet, that I can live in while I fix it up. It'd be nice if it had enough lot that I could subdivide it and build a tiny home, another tiny home, rent one out. Okay, that little Toyota is right down here on the right. Yeah, this is one of those days when what I do, keep my windshield wipers on and aggravate you, or leave them off and aggravate you. I think someone has test drove it. No, wait, that isn't it. That's a Ford. That's a Fjord. That isn't it. Here it is up here. Here it is. Here it is. Let's turn in over here. And it's got the little extended cab. I think it said four-wheel drive, didn't it? If it's not four-wheel drive, I'm not interested in it. Well, at the right price, I would be. But let's check it out and see. Okay, now what do y'all guess? It's a 96 with 105,000 miles. I've already made my guess, and I've looked at the price. I know what it is. It is four-wheel drive. I haven't looked inside. What's y'all's guess? I was low, $15K or best offer. You might get it for 12, but I wouldn't pay that for it. I don't know if it's worth it or not. I don't know enough about these things. Looks like the tires are in pretty good shape. Looks like the little truck's in good shape for a 96. Almost 24 years old. Okay, let's get on down the road. But I'm looking for a deal. I don't consider this a deal. Well, the owner came up as I was pulling off. He said it's 108,000 miles. Said the fellow he bought it from put tires on it. He fixed the air. It's still a little dirty inside, but it's a good truck. So he bought it just to turn around and sell himself. Okay, well, let's turn this off. We're fixing to head down, I guess maybe down towards not Menlo, but I don't know. We're going to head down towards Alabama, I think, see what we get into, see if we see something laying around or sitting on the side of the road down there somewhere.